Ladies and gentlemen, step right up and feast your eyes on the marvel of the modern age. Introducing the Wonder Bug, a car that's so compact, it fits perfectly in any parking spot, even in your neighbor's driveway. With a face that could make even a robot smile, this car is the talk of the town. Zip through the streets with the nimbleness of a squirrel on a trampoline. And don't worry about space. The Wonder Bug can pack more than a picnic basket at a summer fete. With room for the whole family and the family's quirks, the Wonder Bug makes every trip an adventure. Join the coolest crowd in town. Everyone's talking about the Wonder Bug. Get yours today and drive away with a smile. The Wonder Bug, where small meets spectacular. The Wonder Bug, the car for you. Small, fun, and shiny too.